Good morning, friends. I just wanted to show you this beautiful home that I'm holding open house on, and it is a gorgeous 4-bedroom, very large, Fulton built home here in the beautiful neighborhood of Glen Wild in Maricopa, Arizona. All right, as we enter this home, we've got a beautiful long hallway and we can see right through into the gorgeous backyard. So this home essentially has 3 wings of the house. So we have our first, could be a guest bedroom. We have a beautiful full bath and another great bedroom. So 2 bedrooms that share the full bath. So in this wing, we have a large walk-in closet, a smaller coat closet. We walk down this hallway, we have this full flex space that can be a formal living or dining, office, kids playroom, whatever you want it to be, and it's not included in the 4 bedrooms. And then here we open up into our gorgeous kitchen, living, and dining. Okay, so then coming on to this wing of the house, we have our garage. It is a 2-car tandem with built-ins and a little kind of mud room where the kids can put their backpacks, their shoes, and then we go into this second wing of the house that has the cutest little half bath. But wait, guys, it also has a shower. So if the room in this side, they have their own bathroom. Then we have our laundry room, cute little laundry room with storage, and then another bedroom. The final wing of the house, we go over here into our primary suite. We start with a beautiful ensuite with a big walk-in shower. We've got private toilet facilities and a big walk-in closet, lots of storage. We'll have a full linen closet. Primary suite. It opens up with a big full king-size bed. This is actually very large. TV on one side and a private door to access the backyard. This is the primary wing. We have our beautiful outside. We've got an extended covered patio. We've got a whole built-in grill. We've got the fireplace. Nice seating, tons of shade, fan. This home has a really large fridge, nice built-in grill with a wine fridge, smoker, and then we have this whole extra side of the house. They've got chickens, they've got a garden, they've got a little, and then a very wide gate here. If you needed to pull a trailer or some other cars, toys, plenty of space. Now there's this whole other side of the yard that is so pretty, well landscaped. We have fruit trees, and look at this beautiful little garden over here. Such a fun place to sit.